So guys, today we went to Home Depot and we wanted to go ahead and get a few samples. One for our trim, which we decided on the Swiss Coffee, and then one for the base of the house, so the entire house, which is Almond Wisp. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these two a go. I have two of my chip brushes. These are really simple to find at like Dollar Tree. I got mine off of Amazon because it came in a bulk, but I'm gonna use these to just go ahead and see outside. So this is in a satin finish. Both of these are in satin finishes. So I'm gonna shake these up real well, give it a good stir, and then I'm gonna apply them on the outer because this is for the exterior of our home. I'm not sure if you guys saw in my previous video, we talked about how we're doing our one project for this year, our big project for this year, I should say, is going to be our outdoor remodel. So we're gonna start off first by doing paint. We are painting ourselves. That way it can save us a good amount. So we're just gonna go ahead, test these out outside. It is a little bit overcast right now, so hopefully we can get a good idea of what the color would be like. Be right back with you guys. So here's the base coloring. It's more of a warmer white tone, a little bit of brown in it, versus this peach coloring that we have going on. If I step back, you can see it a little bit more. And then we would have a lighter color here for the trim. I'm gonna go ahead and try that real quick. So as you can see, that was just like a lighter color. It looks pretty much white. And this just looked like it was dirty, and we went ahead and we painted it over her with white paint. But that's kind of what we wanted. We just wanted something white and bright for up on the trim, and then something a little bit more cool toned for the rest of the house. Let's see if I can focus on that a little bit better. Yeah. You see how this is kind of like a warmer undertone and this is very pinkish? So I think that's what we're gonna go with. It looks pretty good, but I just have to show it to Scott and see if he also likes it. Can you tell where I painted?
Right here.
Can you tell where I painted on the trim?
Right here.
The trim color just looks like we cleaned it.
Correct.
Like the regular trim just looks like it's dirty, but we just repainted it, so now it's brighter.
Yeah, we're gonna have to power wash the trim too, but like from afar to get dirty. And then we paint it.
Yeah.
But it looks
But how about the color on the wall?
It hasn't dried yet, but it looks nice. I like it. You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, it looks nice to me.
It's like a more neutral color.
Yeah.
It's not as pinky
Correct.
as the other
There's not
color.
pink in it, or orange, or whatever we want to call it. Oh, I like it.
Let's see, like when you said when it dries down, what it looks like.
Oh, we'll take a look after this right here. It's really wet still.
Yeah. Make sure I put like...
Did you use a brush?
I did.
You did. Okay.
Why? What'd you think I used?
I thought you just like...
With no drip marks?
Yeah, no, I mean there's some drips coming right here because of the stucco. But you got it really good, so I was like, oh, okay.
Alright guys, so it has completely dried. It's a few days later. I ended up getting sick around this time the video was posted. So this is the color that it dried down to be. It is a lighter cool tone for that one. And then up there where I had painted it. But yeah, that's it for this video. So our plan is to go ahead and knock down all of like these dusts, dirt, tumbleweeds that are accumulated on this house. We're just gonna power wash it with our power washer and then go section by section. When I've looked up on a couple of places that says that the best thing to honestly do is just do it a section at a time, especially if you're painting yourself. So we did get some of the equipment that we needed, like for instance the roller, the paint stirrers. We're gonna go pick up the paint later today or tomorrow for sure, since we decided that this is the paint that we're gonna go with. Just to focus on that a little bit, sorry. And then we'll just go section by section, and then we'll end up changing those light fixtures up there. I have 2 lanterns that I've been asking Scott to kindly hang up, but since we're gonna paint anyways, it doesn't matter. And then yeah, I'm just gonna pressure wash around the house, or the windows, excuse me, and then this area. So we'll probably start like one section at a time back here in the backyard, and then we will move around to the other side. So yeah, today is a gorgeous gloomy day in South Florida as always. I'm pretty sure it feels like it's about to rain again, but yeah. And then we did have the guy come out and measure the aerial section for the fence. The quote was insanely priced, so we're trying to see if maybe we can go with some other guys, get some other estimates before going ahead. Scott did start pressure washing the back part for here, but it's rained on him, so we'll have to continue that on another day. But yeah guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. It's just a short little sweet video of the updates to come. All right, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.